Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to test your vitamin C serum. It's essential to ensure your product is still potent and effective. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, but it can degrade over time, becoming less beneficial or even harmful. By performing a few simple checks, you can confidently use your serum, knowing it's working its best for your skin. Let's dive into how you can do this at home. First, let's talk about what you can see and smell. A fresh vitamin C serum should be clear or very pale yellow. If your serum has turned a darker yellow, orange, or brown, it's likely oxidized and no longer effective. Also, give it a sniff. A good serum has a faint, clean scent. If it smells metallic or like hot dog water, it's time to replace it. Next, consider its pH and texture. For vitamin C to be most effective, its pH should ideally be between 2.5 and 3.5. You can easily check this with pH strips. Also, pay attention to the texture. A fresh serum should feel smooth and absorb well. If it becomes unusually sticky, gritty, or separates, these are signs of degradation. To maximize your serum's potency, proper storage is key. Keep it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and air exposure. Consider buying smaller bottles so you can finish them before oxidation sets in. Remember, a little care goes a long way in preserving your product's effectiveness. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.